I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, what's going on? This is Pinnacle Trading here. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing a quick recap of the trades from this week. Before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos. And also make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on social media. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you can also check out our website. That's where the memberships are. And also, if you'd like to use Robinhood, I have the referral link right here. If you sign up, we both get a free stock. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into the markets. Let's look at a quick recap of the markets this week. So we had a lot of a chop in the markets this week. A lot of news left and right. North Korea, trade wars, aluminum, steel, tariffs, and a lot of news. But what saved us this week on Friday today was the jobs report. Big news, and jobs report was a lot better than expected, and huge market movement up today. So we had a lot of chop in the market, as you can see the five-day chart. Today we had a nice movement on SPY. Yesterday, that was Thursday, had a pretty big dip in the markets. A lot of news came out, but that job report really saved us today and had a nice movement up, and also tech sector went up. A lot of stocks went up today, and covered most of my profits today. Today Friday, so I'm gonna go over my trades from this week. First one starts with the loser. That was CBOE. I was holding this for my September call. I had a 105 call, and my entry was around here at a 104 area, and did go up to about 109.80. Really tested that at 110, couldn't break over, and I didn't take profits there. And markets, I had a lot of chop, and this kept coming down. So once it broke that 100 support, that was my stop loss. Cut my losses on that, and that was about $250 loss on that. I did have a long-term call, but it didn't really work out, so I cut losses on that. So next one, let's go ahead in order. Next one was STZ. Same thing happened. It did go up all the way to 224 area, and then I didn't take profit, and then it came back down actually, and I added one more, averaged down because I saw great potential in this, and actually went up to around 225 area, and I took my profits there. That was my price target. That was also my strike price. Actually, it was out of the money, so 225. As soon as it went there, I took profits on that Wednesday. Next one was CME. That one I took profits on today. It was a long term, but that was a nice big profit on that. So I do post all my trades on here in the chat room. So let's go ahead and jump up to STZ. So you can see STZ, I bought in at around 410 and 580 and added on that and sold for 1240. So there's a nice profit on STZ. Next one was CME. So CME was a nice big profit. So that was 420 returns, about 37.5% return on that. That was I had two calls on that. That was a great one, and STZ was also really good. So CME had a nice breakout. Actually kept going. I do let my winners run. So next pullback, I do want to pick this up again for long term. Next one was DIA. This was June 15th expiration to the 2 week expiration. So it was more of a gamble play, and I did alert that in the chat room, but I had a nice profit on that. So bought it at 190 and sold at 244. So a nice $54 profit from overnight play. So saw markets going up, set up for a nice run today, and also expected good jobs report. So did work out very well from overnight play. Next one was SPY. This was just a lottery ticket gamble play. Bought for $10 and sold for 18. So 80% profit on that. It's just a gamble play, just for fun. Do like to do those here and there. And next one was, so that covered all of those. So next one, my trades that I'm still holding. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of these since we already are out of those trades. So only thing I'm holding now is actually TMUS and BAC, and I'll show you why I see great potential in TMUS. They have that merger news with Sprint, so I'm still holding that, And if you look at the previous chart on the yearly chart, and you see this, it consolidates and comes up on 1 to 2 days. We see huge volume come up, a lot of big buyers come in and shoots up. So haven't seen that yet. A lot more time consolidating on the low, but if you look at the pattern, you can see pretty much the same chart. Even the 180-day chart, you can see the same consolidation and the pattern. So I do like that. MACD's going up, RSI going up, and I do see that in the green, and I do have a lot of breakout alerts on that. So being that it did have a nice big movement today, and I saw a lot of buyers come in at the close. So being that it dipped yesterday, markets weren't that good yesterday, but did average down one more, and today had a nice big spike and actually blew through the VWAP and staying above that the whole day. If you see before, it hasn't done that. So nice setup for a breakout next week, and I'm still holding all my positions on TMUS. Next thing, let's go ahead and look at BAC. BAC, financials had a big downturn due to that news with Italy and the banks, and a lot of news with the financials. So had a big dip. BAC's just been consolidating, but I do see coming up on the MACD and RSI, and it's way oversold. So anywhere below 30 is a great buy. So I did pick up long-term calls on that as they were super cheap, and also bought about 100 shares today on BAC. So I bought them post-market since I did want to see how it played out today. Just moved up and down and sideways. So my entry was about 29.39 right there after hours today. So picked up 100 shares, got options for long-term on that. So expecting a nice big profit, and we've traded this on and off in the chat room along with JPM and never lost so far on these based on past results. So BAC is one of my favorite picks that I like to swing trade. So that's my trades for next week. Also looking for SPY to break that big resistance at 275 next week. Saw a lot of buyers come in even after hours and into the close. I expected a sell-off, but couldn't break below MACD. If you look at that, sorry, not the MACD, the VWAP area line right here, couldn't break below, maybe just a little bit, but bounced right off. So a lot of strength in the markets. The jobs report really helped it out. So I'm holding BAC and TMUS into next week, and looking for a nice big breakout on both of those, and looking to cash out on at least my options on those, and I'll hold my stock for BAC. And JPM is also another financial one that I trade along with BAC. I didn't get a chance to pick it up as it did recover a lot faster. So if it does dip more next week, I'll pick that up for long term as well. So that's my market outlook for next week. Looking for a run in the markets. Looking for SPY to break that 275 next week, unless we get more news, more political news, or any other anything in the media. Markets are set up for a nice big run next week. And make sure to join the chat room. You can get a 1-week free trial if you head over to our website. It's pinnacletrading.us. If you scroll down, you can get a 1-week free trial for all the alerts if you click this button, and then you'll be taken over to Discord, and it's free to make that account. And we have the option alerts, everything. I call it out by second right here. So I'll post a screenshot of my trade as well. So I'll be like, I bought this right here. So I bought this yesterday, SPY, that gamble play called it at 3:51 p.m. and today at before even market open, I say I'm looking to take profit, and then to profit on SPY, I share my trades, whether it's a win or a loss. And we have swing trading alerts, that's for stocks, day trading, and long-term investing alerts. So we cover most of the trading styles, so stocks and options and ETFs and anything like that. So make sure to join the membership, and we have all the membership options right here. It's a simple month-to-month plan, and the gold seems to be our most favorable one so far, as it does include swing trading, options, investing, and that diamond has one-to-one mentorship access, 30 minutes per week if you are interested in that. Alright guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a great weekend.